This is a test chamber for pyrolysis ions. The white one is the pyrolysis ion detector. There is a heating platform below. Here is the controller for the heating platform. This is the display part of the pyrolysis ion monitoring device. The green part here is the set temperature. The red part is the real-time temperature. Pyrolysis ion detector. The alarm value we set is 400. The pyrolysis ion concentration in the experimental chamber is now 37. As time changes and temperature rises, the concentration of pyrolytic ions will gradually increase. You can look at the curve chart later. The device has now alerted. The detector has a sound and a red indicator light to alarm. The display also shows the alarm information. Now we can click the silence button first. After removing the sound, let's look at the graph. Click to view the graph. This is the curve chart page. The value of pyrolysis ions in the early stage is a relatively gentle green curve. As time changes and temperature rises, the concentration value will gradually increase. An alarm is issued after reaching the alarm value.